How to save money on garden items. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Here is how you can save money on garden items. To save money on garden items, you have to make sure that you get the garden items at a huge discount, like 30-50% off. And you can get that by buying these items at the end of the season. Right now is the end of the season where I am. So most of the items at local stores are on sale. So you can get these items like 30-50% off, depending on the store and depending on the location where you are. So here I am at Walmart. They have most of the garden items here on sale. Some of them are 30%, 20% off, and you can get these items at your local stores. So some stores like Lowe's and Home Depots are not gonna sell these items at a huge discount, because these are items that they carry year round and they have a lot of storage space for them to carry it year round. But stores like Walmart, Target, and other home hardware stores are gonna try to sell it at a discount so that they can make space, make room for other items that they're gonna carry for Christmas and for winter. So visit your local stores, hardware stores, garden centers, and see what they have on clearance. You're gonna find stuff on clearance that you might be able to use next year for the next garden season or sometime later on. So as you can see, we have share here. This is share that's on sale right now. We have some other garden stuff over here that's on sale. We have outdoor chemicals here that are on sale, clearance, pesticides, and other lawn care stuff. They're on sale right now because right now is the fall and most people are not using these items. Serving, this is a insect for garden. You can buy these now. They are on sale. You can save some money on these items. So definitely check those stores out and see. You might be able to get some good deals. You might be able to get some items that you've been looking at for a while, and you might be able to get them. Even over here, you have fertilizers on sale. They have some good prices over there. Over here, these are just regular outdoor stuff that you can use in the garden, and they are all, as you can see, they design. Most of them are on sale right now with a discount of at least 20%. So this is Miracle Grow right here. Was the original price for this was like $14. Now it's $11. So you can save money on this if you use Miracle Grow throughout the year. Bone meal or any other chemicals or any other fertilizers, just take a look at them and see what they have. Fish fertilizer, that's another good one that you can get, and all of these are on sale right now. At this store where I am, they are on sale. So check your local stores. The prices here might not be the same prices that you have over there. They might get better prices over there at your local stores, or these ones might be better. So check your local stores, and if you check them out, the prices are still not good, give them some time, and after about a week or two, if those items are still not selling, they're gonna mark it down again to a lower price. So check your local stores and check them regularly to see what they have on sale, and you might be able to get some good deals. Let me know in the comments below if you've done clearance shopping like this, where you check the stores and you're able to save stuff. For example, over here, these lawnmowers, they were $269. Now they are $168. That's $101 off lawnmowers. So check your local stores. You might get some good deals. So let me know in the comments below if you've purchased a lot of stuff like this on clearance for the next season. Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what are the best locations you go to get your great deals. Even outdoor furniture like this, they're on clearance. Outdoor pillows, and other outdoor decor. You can also have them on sale. So check your local stores, check your local garden centers, hardware stores, retailers, and you might be able to get some good deals. Another way you can get good deals is to check online. You might, even if the location is not close to you, you might be able to check online and get the prices and see some good deals that you might be able to either ship it to your home, or you pick it up in stores. So check your local stores and check online retailers and online stores, and you might be able to get some good deals at this time of the year, where everybody is trying to get rid of garden stuff, outdoor stuff, to make room for Christmas stuff and other winter, fall and winter items. So definitely best way to save is to do that right now, and save some money in the process. If you can save money, why not try it and do it now? So even tiki torches and liquids and stuff like this, they're on sale over here. If you save $1, $2, guess what? It's not bad. Definitely good thing to do. Here, that one, you're saving $3. Over here, you have garden tools. I need one of these over here on the left. Look at, that's a garden cart right here. Save money on that. If you need shovels, you need other garden tools, especially this fork like this. I'm gonna get this fork. This is something that I've been looking for to replace my old one for a couple of years now. I'll get that. Look at grills. Even you can save money on grills. They have grills over here that are on sale, clearance, and you can use them in the winter. You can use them next year. But all these are different grills and different items that you can definitely save money on. This is raised bed right here. You can save money on that. So like I said, check your local stores, check your local areas, and also check online for the particular items that you're looking for. You might be able to save a lot of money. So definitely that's something to check. So if you like the video, if you like something like this, let me know in the comments below. If you like ways to save money, things like this, let me know in the comments below. I'll look for more content and more stuff that would save you money. So if you like the video, please smash the like button. It helps the channel out and it helps the video out. If you like the content, somebody else might like the content, and that would help promote the content to those people, and they'll be able to save money, and they'll be able to see the videos and also save money. So these are other lawn and outdoor items, weed whackers and other stuff that you could definitely buy and save money, and be able to use them next season and a couple of seasons in the future, thereby saving you a lot of money. So definitely some good deals here. Like I said, check your local stores, check other surrounding stores, and see what they have. So these over here, they have other tools and things that you can use for gardening over here, and they're also good. They look good. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.